Good morning, all of you. How are you? So, today we have to start off with the effects of non biodegradable plastics in the environment. Okay, so effects of non biodegradable plastics in the environment. Okay. So, first of all, we must see what is non-biodegradable. All of you know what is plastic. Biodegradable means living things. Biodegradable means can be rotten or degraded by living things. That means anything that can be decomposed by bacteria and other decomposers, we can say it as biodegradable. Okay, so non-biodegradable means cannot be decomposed by bacteria. Okay, that means can't be decomposed. Means can't be decomposed. Okay, so it cannot be decomposed. And plastics, of course, you know that the bacteria cannot eat them or cannot decompose them. So, what can be their effects? Mainly, we must know three effects. The first thing is this will get accumulated in the earth. That means you must have seen many places where all these biodegradable plastics and we are using lot of plastic. Everything we are getting in plastic covers, containers, all this. So after using, we just throw it away so that it will get accumulated on the earth. So that is one problem, accumulation. Okay, so accumulation of these plastics is one of the major problem. Another problem you can say in water. When these plastic covers are in sea, sometimes the turtles or jellyfish maybe they'll just get mistaken as something. Like usually they say the turtles they'll get mistaken this as jellyfish so that they will eat them. So when they eat it, what happens? It will be accumulated in their stomach because it cannot go out and it cannot be decomposed, cannot be digested. And then when it gets accumulated, these turtles they won't be able to eat anything, means eat any of their food, so that eventually slowly they will die. Okay, so that means some of the aquatic animals when they eat it, they mistake this as their food and then they will eat it, and this will get accumulated in their stomach and they cannot eat their food, so that they will die. So second thing is accumulation of this accumulation in the stomach of aquatic animals leads to death. Okay, when they do it. And the third one is sometimes the terrestrial animals, that the animals on the earth, maybe they'll get suffocated or choked. Sometimes if the cover is on their face, they won't be able to take it out. So, or plastic nets, sometimes they'll get trapped in the plastic nets. So all these can lead to their death. If it is in their face, they won't be able to breathe, they won't be able to eat, so that they will die. So even terrestrial animals also, if they are trapped with the plastic covers or plastic nets, they won't be able to eat and they won't be able to breathe, and eventually it will lead to their death. So for terrestrial animals, what happens? Plastic nets, they may get trapped. Okay, I will write it. Terrestrial animals may get trapped in plastic containers or nets that lead to choking. Choking means suffocation. Maybe may not be able to choking and death. Okay, so these are the three main problems. So first thing, the definition of non-biodegradable, it is can't be decomposed, and the effects of non-biodegradable plastics in the environment. First is accumulation in the earth, accumulation of these plastics in the earth, accumulation in the earth. And next is accumulation in the stomach of aquatic animals that leads to their death. And next is terrestrial animals also may get trapped in plastic nets or plastic containers, which may lead to the suffocation and eventually death. So these are the three main points. Okay.